the dirty dozen in aviation maintenance. Welcome. In this video, we will explore human factors training, dirty dozen, and fatigue. First, we will begin with introduction. Then we will discuss emotional toll. Finally, and cover prioritizing safety, and we will conclude with a brief summary. Let's start with introduction. In aviation, safety is paramount, but even the best pilots can make mistakes. The dirty dozen are 12 human error preconditions that can contribute to accidents. Today, we'll focus on 1, fatigue. Fatigue is a natural response to physical and mental stress. Long working hours, demanding tasks, and even jet lag can cause it. While some fatigue is temporary, chronic fatigue might require medical attention. As fatigue sets in, our ability to focus, remember, and make sound decisions weakens. We become more susceptible to distractions and lose situational awareness. Let's move on to emotional toll. Fatigue can affect our mood too. We might become withdrawn or, conversely, irritable and prone to anger. The human tendency is to underestimate fatigue and overestimate our ability to cope. But recognizing the signs in ourselves and others is vital. Fatigue management is a three-pronged approach. Prioritize regular sleep, maintain a healthy diet, limiting alcohol and drugs, and incorporate regular exercise. Let's cover prioritizing safety and conclusion. Critical tasks shouldn't be scheduled during low circadian rhythm periods, typically 3 a.m., 5 a.m. Remember, if fatigue impairs your judgment, don't hesitate to ask for help. Let a colleague double-check your work or request a reassignment. By prioritizing sleep, good habits, and open communication, we can effectively manage fatigue. It's a win-win for pilot well-being and overall flight safety.